In this video, I'm going to talk about 4 money-making apps that you can start using in 2024 and start earning some extra income for yourself. So if you're someone who is looking for ways and means to start earning something into your mobile money wallet or into your bank account and all that on the internet, this particular video is really going to help you. So the first app I'll talk about is Binance. Now, Binance is a money-making app that gives you the opportunity to trade cryptocurrency. But apart from trading cryptocurrency, there are other ways that you can use it, like investing your dollar over there and it will be compounding on its own. So this means it's not compulsory to go and predict whether Bitcoin will be going up or down. You can just invest in USDT. Now you have to know that if you're in Africa, you have to know that most of our currencies are very low. So if you have your money in dollars, first of all, you've protected it against inflation. But apart from just protecting it against the inflation, you can also invest the dollar there to earn something on it. This means already you are earning double interest on your small dollar that you have over there. So that's how you can use the Binance app. It also has so many features, and I did several videos about Binance already. So if you're someone who is new to Binance, you don't know anything about Binance, you don't know how to deposit money on it and all that, you can check some of my videos out on Binance. So you can search like update and finance Binance and all the videos will be showing there for you. YouTube. Now YouTube is one of the platforms that I've made a lot of people. YouTube is the one that helped with the Maya. YouTube is the one that helped for the Sheldon. YouTube helped Magra and some of the top people that we know in this country, Zion Felix and co. So YouTube has a proven record of helping a lot of people to make money on the internet and all that. But it's just that these people don't come out to share how they've been making it. So if you're someone who wants to use the internet to earn some extra income, YouTube is a powerful platform. Now, how do you get started? It's all about you having an idea or experience, or you have an opinion on something. Maybe someone said something and you feel like you have an opinion on that. You can create a channel and share your opinion there. Maybe you have an idea, you pass through something and you want to share it on the internet for people to just come and listen, watch, and learn something from it. You can also post that on your channel. Anytime you hit like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, the YouTube platform will start paying you. So basically, this is how people make money from YouTube. Another platform I'll talk about is Scopa News. Now, Scopa News is also a platform that allows you to write articles. So if you write article and you've got some number of followers and all that, Scopa News will start paying you. But you don't necessarily need a lot of numbers. The more people are reading the article, the more you'll be getting paid. So I made $46 from Scopa News, and there are other platforms that you can also use like medium.com, but medium.com mostly pay people from Nigeria. So Ghanaians, I don't know how we get paid. I've never received anything from medium.com before, but you can do your research and see if this one too can be helpful to you. So another one I'll talk about is Airbnb. Now, Airbnb is a listing platform that gives you the opportunity to list properties over there. So whether you have a property or not, once someone has the property and you have the pictures, you can list them over there. Just let the person know that if you bring customers to him or her, you also be making some commission. If you guys agree on something like that, then you can start that business. List the properties on Airbnb. So anytime there is an order or someone book the place, you make some commission. So this is one app you can use if you're someone who wants to start earning something on the internet. So the next one I'll talk about is booking.com. This is also just similar as Airbnb. So booking.com, what they also do is that they also allow you to list properties over there. If you have a property that you can list as as a hotel or as a fully furnished apartment, you can list it there. Anytime someone comes to book, you will get paid. So it's just that you list it in a way that if the amount the owner wants, you get the amount for the owner and you also get something from it. So basically that's all. So guys, these are some of the apps that I believe can start earning you something small, because they've been earning me something small. Not big, but small. So if you're someone who wants to give some of these apps a try, I believe it will be very helpful to you. I believe this video has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more helpful videos. Follow us on TikTok, follow us on Facebook, Instagram as well. As time goes on, we'll be pushing content over there as well. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video.